In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of generating a new section. So I'm in the south elevation where I have added a series of levels and I have the column grid. Everything is set for that south elevation. Just a note that there are the other elevations in the view or in the project, and you may be kind of going to them periodically to kind of view the project from different directions, but we aren't going to actually include these elevations, the east, the north, and the west in the project. So at this time, you don't need to make any changes to them. We will include the south elevation. So in order to generate a section, I'm going to go to level 1. And there, what we see, I'm going to scroll down a little bit here. There is a section in the project already. It's called a working section. And it's this one right here. It's kind of grayed out or it's a little bit transparent. And that's how you know it's a working section. That is one type of section that you would include in the project as a way of kind of viewing the project as you're building it, basically. So with this working section, I can click on it and I can move it. We'll have some walls and roofs and floor assemblies through here. So I can move this around as necessary to kind of view some particular part of the project. Right, I'm going to move it back down here. Okay, so that's a working section, but what I want to include, what I want to create is a section that's going to become a view in my drawing set, and a working section isn't used for that purpose. So you're going to go to the View tab, and again, I'm still in level 1 architectural, and I'm going to click on section, and I'm going to make my section between column lines B and C. I'm going to click over here and stretch all the way across, like so. Now, as you can see, the section is looking downward, and I find it, at least, if I'm only going to have one section, preferably it's looking in the same direction as my south elevation. So I'm going to flip it. You can see that there's a couple of arrows here. I'm going to click on those and it will turn the direction of the section so it is looking north. So this new view that I've created is a section looking north. So I'm going to go down here and you can see that a new section was created. So I'm going to expand this. It's called section 2. And I'm just going to click on this here and double click on it, change it to all caps, and I'm going to type in section. And so the name of this view should change. All right. When I click on that view, I can see that it now has a new name that I've just assigned to it. It looks pretty much like what I had for the south elevation. I may need to kind of adjust things, pull things in a little bit. I can see that these two datums are further out. I'm going to drag them in so that they're aligning with the other ones that I created. But you should see on the screen column lines 1 through 12 in this new section view. And that completes this part of the assignment.